Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Pacific Coast Motives. On today's episode, we have a big installation day. We've got my BC coils as well as a mag ride delete. We got our front lip and side skirt from Maxton Design. I think the only way this R8 would look decent is if I got both the front lip and the side skirts. Otherwise, I feel like it'd throw the whole car off. I don't know. It wouldn't feel right to me. I feel like I'm at a pretty good height right now, but I'm going to try to go a little bit lower, see if I can really get closer to the ground. Because I want this lip to look like it's being used. We'll see what it looks like when it's actually on the car. But yesterday, I probably should have jacked up the car and took all the wheels off so that I was ready for this. But instead, I spent my day making this. A little R8 RC car. I wrapped it in, obviously, our blue. I spent just as much time wrapping this car as I did wrapping the rear bumper on the actual car, and it doesn't even really look that good. Like it looks good from like over here, but like you really get close, you can start seeing actually I don't even want to really show you guys that, just because it took me so long and it's not even that good. But it's in our blue, so we can do the little, I don't know, is it too basic to get a little RC car that matches your actual car? I don't think so. You want to see all the work that we put in, Aiden?
Mm-hmm. It looks good.
Yeah, and then we got the side skirt on too. You can't really see it. Alright, here's a quick little update. We got the front lip and the side skirts on, but it's about 8 o'clock. I don't think we'll be able to put these coilovers on in time for the pre-meet Friday, or tomorrow pretty much. So we're just going to leave it on the springs right now. It's definitely going to look lower, but I'm not too sure how low because the jack stand was hitting the side skirt. So we had to put these little pieces of wood right here. These little pieces of wood underneath the wheel so that it wouldn't hit the side skirt wouldn't hit the jack when we lowered it. So I can't really get a full feel of what the car actually looks like right now because I'm pretty much standing 2 feet away from, not even 2 feet away from the car, a foot away from the car. And that's the view I get. You can't even see the side skirt from this angle, nor the front lip. Actually, kind of. We'll do the BC coilovers another day because that's going to be way too long. Turns out there's a meet today, so we're going to be headed over to Bobalust with a few of my friends. We're going to get some bubble tea from my little brother because now that he's 7, he thinks he's got some new taste buds. Yeah. Tell him about it, Aiden. What's going to be your favorite bubble tea?
I don't know. I just like the tea and then with the bubbles in it.
Yeah.
That's what I usually have. We're stopping at Panda Express right now to get some food.
Motor off, gang. Y'all don't know about it. Look at that mirror, though.
But they be pretending. FaceTime in my jeweler. Ask them what I'm spending.
All right. Perfect way to end the night. Huge turnout. Tons of supercars here. Yeah, man. He's probably about 240 wheel horsepower.
Yeah.
Yep. About an S2000. 200 to the crank, but 240 to the wheels. Because definitely the tires give you another more horsepower.
Yep.
Yeah.
So what time are you going to Stan's Wars?
I don't know, homie.
Who got the gun?
What time are you going?
You got the gun?
What time stands Wars?
I don't think got the gun.
You're the select, my guy.
Honest.
Was it like 3 o'clock?
3
o'clock? You going too?
Make it?
3 o'clock?
Knows we're going to PGP on Saturday. Books a haircut.
I booked it on Tuesday. You decided on Wednesday.
No, we didn't. Monday.
You never said Monday.
Nigga.
You never
On
said
his
Monday.
birthday. On his birthday. he's
On
like,
my birthday.
What's up?
Bro, just check this shit. Hey, alright, hold on. Hey, check me out.
Open the door. Am. Ooh.
All right, yep. Hit up Pacific Coast Motives for the plug on the nice cut and buff.
No cut, just straight buff. Who's it?
I'll show it to you later.
Bro, you're gonna put on the video, dog.
I mean, I already got it. It's not like you're gonna.
I already got it.
That's going on.
All right, baby. So tomorrow at Stance Wars,
Yep.
I'm gonna need to go, or Saturday at Stance Wars.
Yes.
I'm gonna need you to finish the vlog for me because I'm going camping. Can you do that for me?
Oh yeah, for
Yeah?
sure. I got you.
All right.
Yeah.
Saturday he's gonna be doing the vlogs.
Yep.
The last half of it.
Yep.
You want to do some part of it, Jose?
I didn't get an invite.
Yeah, man. I didn't just ask him. You know, like
He gets offended.
Great. I'll go pick up the R8. I'll take it to Stance Wars, and then I'll go drop it off at your house.
You got the emoji.
this is pretty rough. There's really nobody here, but then again, this meet started at 6:30. It's 9:45. That's a no bueno for the meet turnout. There's these clowns over here making jokes about cousins and sisters and family. This man right here is hitting on my cousin. Oh! This man's hitting his sister up.
Oh! And I'm hitting him.
Easy.
Oh!
And he's hitting me.
Oh! And I'm hitting you.
Thank you for pulling up to the Bobolas car meet. Catch the Pacific Coast Motive Gang at Stance Wars on Saturday. You know, see you there.
Give me a tiger rock, you know, so I can put that in there over that.
All right.
Like a deeper
Ready?
roll.
Ready?
Yeah.
You know, see you there.
We got it's a 5-0 on lane 1. NW Boss on lane 2. Ooh. Oh! Mario took the dub!
I caught that.
Excuse the tie?
Hey, I was even tied.
Yo, he's not even tied. Re-outro. This is like a real outro right here because this is like when we're actually dipping. Ready? Boom!
Whoa, what is good, boys? Pacific Coast Motives just hit Bobolas meet. We calling it a day, but catch us at Stance Wars on Saturday.
Fact. See you, Jose. Ooh.
Toothpaste? What the
Yo, dog, your breath stank, dog.
That wasn't me, bro.
What are you drawing, Ta?
You'll see.
All right.
Drawing dick.
What is this?
Bro, you
Nah,
forgot
bro,
to
what
connect.
is this?
You forgot to
Hey, just
connect.
let him chill. Let him chill.
You don't need to connect the nuts.
Oh, you don't.
Okay. We'll just let him go. We'll let him go.
I think we got a clear winner.
I don't know.
All right, and we use the entire bottle of toothpaste.
All right, guys, leave a comment down below which one won. We've got Jose's over here. We've got Taz over here.
Vote me.
Vote him.
Vote me.
He's got the gun, so I don't know.
He got the gun.
Hey, pull it out.
Don't drop. Don't
Pull
drop.
out the gun. Oh,
Don't
hey,
drop.
bitch.
Drop
Get him.
first.
Get him.
Alright,
Get him. Drop. Oh, Jose got you.
You dead. Rock, paper, scissors. Boom! I'm sorry. It's the kill.
At the end of the 4th round, a unanimous decision. The winner was chosen, Jose Hernandez. Would you like to say something to the fans?
You know, honestly, I knew this dub was going to be mine.
Yep.
Whenever I looked at my opponent, I knew he wasn't worthy.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like it. We got the Pacific Coast Motives crew out here. We're going to be at Stance Wars on Saturday. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.